Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to disable the option that lets people find your X account through your email address on the web version of X, previously known as Twitter. This quick privacy tweak helps you keep your account more private and secure, especially if you don't want others to discover your profile just because they know your email. Let's get started. First, open your browser on your PC and go to x.com. Once you're signed in, take a look at the menu on the left side of your screen. Click on the More icon, it's the one with 3 dots. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings and Privacy. You'll now be taken to the Settings page. On the left-hand panel, click on Privacy and Safety. This is where X keeps all your privacy control options. Under this section, choose Discoverability and Contacts. This part manages how other people can find and connect with you on the platform. If you're asked to verify your account by entering your password, go ahead and do that. Then click Next to continue. Once you're inside the Discoverability and Contact settings, you'll notice a few options that let people find you based on your contact information. Find the one that says let people who have your email address find you on X. By default, this option might be turned on. To disable it, simply uncheck the box next to it. After unchecking the box, your change is saved automatically. You've now successfully turned off the feature that allows others to discover your X profile through your email address. This means people who have your email will no longer see your account suggested when they search for contacts or sync their address books. That's all you need to do. Keeping your account discoverability limited can add an extra layer of privacy, especially if you prefer to control how people find you on X.